like what I mentioned, it's one of those games. That's a very good sign of a great player bouncing back from a horrible shooting. And end of the day, we completely crushed JP. And even before the start of the game, I think everybody thought they wanted this victory for me because it's just unfortunate. When I left, when I arrived, I got 0 for 2, so they wanted this game for me. I should thank them. I think we lost a little voice down the stretch. I think the constant complaining of Glenn Capascio to Chris Toll, they got those sympathy calls. In fact, going here, I was talking to the technical committee with Tani Gonzalez. I couldn't understand the complaints of Coach Ben about I think somebody dropped to the basket, Rico jumped and tried to challenge the shot. It was clearly stated in our meeting. And Tani Gonzalez concurred, as long as you jump straight up and down, even there's contact, there's no foul. I don't know, they made a big fuss about it. So look what happened. All of a sudden, calls gun were on the other side of Eddie. I was so scared of JB because the word they having him, baka puro smart na to eh. Diba? Even the one that they forced James Mangas right in front of the bench, there was a clear push on that. So, I'm going to use a term of somebody who used it. Let's call a spade a spade. There was really no clear foul on that one. Because it was discussed in the meeting, straight up, straight down. I don't know how come they're complaining. He was there when we had that meeting. Si Tani Gonzalez concurred with that. There's no foul. Now, if that's the case for them, for us to get some sympathy calls, I'm going to start yelling also. I'm going to start contesting every call because that's what happened clearly. So, for me, such a beautiful game. Everything was doing okay. Then all of a sudden, they start complaining about that incident. For the first few minutes, first up, we were kind of tentative. I think we were tired. I don't know if it's because the weather is so cold. We were tired. I think what I told the players, we were playing so bad, we were playing so terrible, and we were just down by 2. We just keep our composure, everything will be fine.